In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Microsoft 365 Copilot license and open PowerPoint. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along confidently, even if you're new to Microsoft 365. First, head to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft site where Copilot is offered as part of Microsoft 365. You'll be looking for the Copilot product page that explains what it does and how it integrates across apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account for your organization or personal use. If you manage a business account, you may need admin permissions to complete the purchase, so it's a good idea to confirm that before you proceed. Next, buy your license plan. On the Copilot page, review the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. You'll typically see options tailored to individuals or organizations. Take a moment to read what's included, like which apps are supported and how billing works. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection. Enter your billing details and complete the purchase. If you're on a business account, the plan may be added to your tenant automatically. After checkout, give the system a little time to apply the license to your account. In many cases, this is quick, but activation can take a short while to fully propagate across your apps. Now, go to your search bar in Windows and search for PowerPoint. Click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search, then type PowerPoint. When you see the PowerPoint app in the results, select it to launch. If your Microsoft 365 apps are already installed on your device, PowerPoint will open right up. Sign in with the same account you used to purchase your Copilot license so everything connects properly. Now you have your PowerPoint ready. You can start a new presentation from a blank slide or choose a template. If Copilot is included with your plan and has finished activating, you may notice Copilot features within the PowerPoint experience. These tools can help you draft outlines, generate slides from prompts, and refine your content more quickly. If you don't see Copilot right away, don't worry. Close and reopen PowerPoint after a few minutes, and make sure you're signed in with the licensed account. That's it. You've gone to Microsoft 365 Copilot, purchased your license plan, searched for PowerPoint in Windows, and you're ready to create.